Typically, we're a fairly laid-back nation, and so lots of the time we'll get work done by a contractor without necessarily having a contract. However, since 2015, it's a legal requirement under Part 4A of the Building Act that you must have a contract for all building work over $30,000, including GST. Now, it's actually the contractor's obligation to provide that contract to you as the homeowner, as the client. However, if you've got someone coming to do some work and you want to develop your own contract, you can do that. For example, you can download from Standards New Zealand website NZS 3902/2004, and that gives you a template for relatively straightforward building work. So, if you're engaged in work with more than $30,000, including GST, with your contractor, you must have a written contract.